Welcome to the weekly market update by SoftLogic Stockbrokers. As at Thursday, the 23rd of December, the ASPI increased by 197.8 points to close at 11,951.2, while the S&P SL dropped by 2.1 points to close at 4,251.5. The total turnover for the week was Rs 20 billion. Local investor interest was centered around capital goods, diversified financials, transportations, and food and beverage sectors, while net foreign selling recorded at Rs 124 million. On the macroeconomic front, the government hikes fuel prices. Despite the increase in price, Sri Lanka still enjoys price compared to other regions. However, this would diminish purchasing power. Further, export growth outpaces import rises in October, and the trade deficit shrinks in October to 495 million, but the first 10-month figure balloons to $6.5 billion. Further, Sri Lanka's foreign remittances fell to 271.4 million to a 12-year low in November 2021 amid credibility loss of the peg. And ADB lowers Sri Lanka's growth outlook in 2022. Sri Lanka intends to draw down on a $1.5 billion loan equivalent swap with China. ADB invests $80 million in John Keells Holdings to boost Sri Lanka's food value chains, promote economic growth and job creation. These are the crossings for the week. The company highlights for the week: Hella Apparel Holdings set for a landmark IPO. Tokyo Cement invests 2.5 billion rupees in Colombo Port bulk terminal capacity expansion. Printcare to sell 45% in JV to a US firm for rupees 1.2 billion. ADB partners with JKH for an $80 million loan to boost value chains for farm livelihoods. S&P Sri Lanka 20 index includes commercial leasing LOLC Finance. HMB Finance acquires 87% stake of Prime Finance for 2.1 billion. Cooperative Insurance Rs 60 million IPO snapped up. Expolanka enters BlackRock iShares MCSI Frontier and Select EM ETF.
Moving on to the technicals, the All-Share Price Index has crossed another landmark as prices moved past 12,000 for the first time in history. Looking at the chart, we can see that prices broke past base resistance on the 13th of December. To add on to this, there was a bit of a shakeout on the 21st of December before prices gained its upside momentum. We have now established that the range between 11,450 and 11,650 is key support for the All-Share Price Index. In terms of a price target, the base measures a target of 12,400, which is our very short-term price target. Overall, the short term, the intermediate term and the long term trend remains bullish, signaling that the buyers have the upper hand.
Thank you for tuning in today.